They had this ribbon wireframe wreath from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it upside down, and I found this garland at Five Below. I'm just going to wrap it around this bottom loop here and then tie it down with some zip ties. This first one I'm going to redo because I didn't make it, I made it too visible. But I'm just going underneath that middle rail and then coming up and trying to hide the zip tie underneath the greenery. And this first one I'm going to replace. I found this plastic pineapple plate at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to take 2 popsicle sticks and some floral wire. And I'm going to lay the floral wire parallel to one another. And then I'm going to glue the popsicle sticks on top of the floral wire. So I'm creating a way to tie the plate down to my wreath. You really want to make sure that your glue is cooled. It's at that point that it actually adheres. And then I'm going to take the floral wire and wrap it around the wreath frame and tie it securely so that the plate does not move. Sometimes you want to twist it around the rails so it doesn't slide off. I found these ferns from Walmart. I get them in big bouquets. I just cut off several limbs of it, and I'm going to stick it underneath the plate at the top, and again use another zip tie going around the base of the ferns. Some of these ferns were facing the wrong way. They do have a wire within them, so you can kind of bend them in any direction that you want. Now I'm going to take some rope. I got this rope at the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to wrap it around the top part of the plate. And create a collar between the plate and the ferns. And I'm using hot glue to secure my rope in place. And I just went around several times till I felt like that part was hidden and looked balanced. I had some more of the garland, and I just wanted to fill around the edges with this little piece that I had. I found this hello sign at Dollar General for $3. I'm going to put it on a little angle and glue it to the rope. And there you go. Now you have this cute pineapple door decor, wall decor. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For paint products, tissue paper, transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.